siya, no? Pag tinuro siya ng madali sa inyo, in formula and everything, no? Uh, okay. Pero pagka iba na yung sentence, iba na yung problem, worded problem or word problem, you are having that difficulty reading, no? Okay, that is you. Okay, so we will go back to that after this one's finishes answer. They will have their quiz. Okay, again, Jire, no? These ones, they did not, no? Pass. Okay, they're there, but they did not pass their quiz. Aldrian and Charles, they are noted cutting class. Okay? So, pa-chat na po ako. And if you notice, no? It's very blank. Okay. So, I'll go back to all of your your chats, of course, to record everything, no? Like your graded drill as a group, and then from assignment 1 to up to 4. Okay. So everything is in the messenger, it's there. So don't worry, no? So a lot of it are actually performance tasks, no? It should be here, the assignment, performance tasks. But I'll put it here, it's the same, by the way, no? It's 40 and 40. It's 20. There's nothing wrong about it, no? When assignments are should be placed here, they are placed there. It's okay. Okay, now I'm going to be giving you drill, no? This time the drill is individual drill 1. ID 1 3. ID 1, individual drill 1, okay? Okay, sige. So we'll cut the discussions today into two parts. It's about methodology and the outlier, no? Outlier is still a measure of position, the same as percentile, decile, and quartile. Okay? So for your quartile, I know that your quartile and decile has not been discussed. I did not discuss that, no? But really, they are just the same, no? The two are just the same when compared to percentile. It's really the same, no? Hindi ko maintindihan kung paano yun siya hindi makitang pareho lang halos, no? Okay, so we'll go back to that on Friday after the quiz of these three individuals. Okay? So which one do you want? Methodology or outlier? Okay, we go to the outlier. Sige. Okay, take note of this, no? After the discussion and you what do you call this one? You can learn it fast. We have the drill. When you can beat my time on the drill, then I'll give you 10 points additional, no? But all of you should not miss the chance to do the drill because it's 10 points, no? So again, if you're early, I set the time. It's 5 or 10 minutes. I'll gauge, no? And then I'll give you bonus of 10 points. Plus the drill that is 10 points, okay? Okay, sige, later on. Okay, let's go. What is outlier, anyone? I think it's in the Scriber also. No? But in detail, I have not actually read about the outlier from the Scriber, but a sentence is there, no? Saying that outlier can be a big, what do you call this one? Factor, no? Okay. For instance, for that group or groups, you are getting their mean, their average, okay, their central tendency. We call it the measure of central tendency. It's the mean, the mode, and the median. Okay. If you're getting them and you think that those scores or those measure are not giving you what you want in your research, then there is something wrong. No, there must be a factor. Okay, it's the outlier. Okay, sige, tingin tayo dito ha. tingin tayo ng outlier mismo dito. Ang dami sa Google. Ewan ko bakit di kayo gumagamit ng Google sa inyo minsan, no? Okay. Let's have the outlier and let's see the image. Okay, like this, no? You see. These are but the graphs, no? But if you compare the graphs in the normal curve, distribution curve, it must be a bell shape like, no? Okay, and then this one, what do you notice about this, no? This is a bell shape like almost, and then this one is part of the bell. But what about that, no? That is an outlier. How about this, no? They're grouped together, not in the bell. Okay, not in, so sorry, they're in the bell actually, but you see the curve, mahirap, hindi maintindihan, okay? This one that you got, no, as part of your data is an outlier. That is the meaning of the outlier, okay? And then there is a test for it, no? Okay, that is the interquartile range test. Tingnan natin, no, kung ano mangyayari. Let's see how that works. Okay, wala ako nakikita normal distribution. Ito. Itong mismo. Okay, ito yung bell na sinasabi ni Sir. Okay? Okay, don't you worry, no? We are not actually speeding up. We do not make it fast for you. Pag walang methodology, hindi naman matutuloy si Sir, no? Pastor. So, I'll be, what do you call this? That's the signal, okay, for your thesis completion. Kung magpapapasa siya ng final draft, and we're not finished still in our methodology because we are learning still, no, all of the statistical data that we need and can't do, no, something about it. Okay, you check this one, no? Okay, this is the bar graph of the data that you have, and then when you have this normal distribution curve, okay, what do you think, no? This red here are actually this part here, no? Outside the normal curve or normal curve is outlier actually, no? Okay. So I've read from the research methods that if you do have that outlier score, you're getting all these scores, no? And we've noticed that that score is really appearing so extreme, no? In the very extreme compared to that bell wherein it must be concentrated in the middle, then you can drop it, no? As a researcher, you can opt to actually drop it, but you discreet in your research, okay? Okay, naintindihan. Okay, let's go now. Tingnan natin tong si outlier. What page are we? After decile quartile. Para akong slow motion, no? Sa boses. Wait lang. Okay, I know all of, ano ba to? Okay, don't you worry about decile and quartile. As I told you, we go back there on Friday, no? Medyo hirap kayo mag-self-study. Okay, it's slow motion. Hold on, no? Hina. Okay, so I've introduced to you what is an outlier, no? It is pertaining to this score that is so located. It is located at the very extreme. Okay, let's go. Check natin ito. Okay, read it by your own na lang, no? Outlier is an extreme. Could be on the left or the right, no? High or low, we consider it high or low, but they are extreme. Okay? It's not in the middle. Okay, that is why, no? It's out of already of the central tendency. That's why we do. If we do have the measures, those formulas like the mean, the mode, and the median, they will be affected, no? Not central, because it's not in the central, no? It's not in the center. Okay, let's go. So we do have the interquartile range. Okay. Uh, if you recall also, no, we've used the range also, no? Like for two groups, who got the highest and the lowest, and then get the difference, no? The two groups. Of course, there's a difference, and we call it the range, no? Highest minus the lowest, it is the range. Okay, but range is so weak, no? It's a very weak determinant, no? It cannot determine which group is excelling more, no? You cannot. Okay, why? Because it's just a range. They're talking about a specific people, no? The two extremes, no? Ito na siya. Okay? Ito na siya. So, ito yung extreme high and extreme low. Okay, they cannot. This is very weak, no? Determinant. You cannot determine if that group really has a characteristic that is, you know, as a group, are they excelling? Do they have high performance or no? Okay. And then, some mathematician actually paid the range, no? Consider the quartile. Tignan natin to, ha? Wait po. Saan na ba yun? I can... That's quartile. Okay. I can actually... Ayan. Okay. I can actually tell more about this outlier when we use, of course, the quartile itself, no? The fractile. Okay, remember that, huh? What are your three fractiles? They are but the percentile, decile, and the other one is a quartile. Sana yung aking drawing. Medyo mahina yung internet. Okay, gamitin ko na lang ito. Ito siya, no? Okay. So for your IQR interquartile range, quartile is being used, not the percentile or decile. No? Why? Okay, let's have this one. I do not know with the mathematicians why they have this as a formula, no, to determine which one is an outlier, no. Okay, it could be the high score or highest score or the lowest score really, no? Oh, so this one. So when we say quartile 1 is here, quartile 3 is here, no? Okay. Interquartile range is telling us there could be, there could be, huh? There could be from here, this boundary, quartile 3, no? Interquartile range. And this boundary of quartile 3, your outlier can be located. Okay, this is quartile 1. Quartile 1, lowest score, no left. Okay. Outliers can lie, can be actually located here also, no? On your left of this quartile 1. Quartile 3 is here. That is the position. It's here. Nakuha? Okay. So let's go now to this one. How do we do it? No? Like for instance, we do have this data. No? Check the following data for outliers. Okay. Obviously, you suspect already, no? Like 13, 16, 17, 22, and 25 are so close to each other, but I can identify already outliers 4 and 5 and 51. But the question is, no? Can you just can you just not include those 4, 5, and 51? No? Hindi po pwede, no? In the research, you do not, no? Outlier to, I can easily determine 4, 5, and 51. No, no? To show us how you get, okay, or how you actually uh, do the process of saying it 4, 5, and 51 are really outliers. Okay? So you apply this formula. Intindihan? Okay, let's go. The data value 51 is the most likely candidate. Okay, for an outlier. Check whether this is value is the okay. And then determine the Q1 and Q3 by using the formula. Okay, this one, no? Tignan natin ito. Interpolation na naman. Babalik at babalik po kayo sa interpolation. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Kung hindi niyo naintindihan ito, if you do not understand this, Q1, then there's a problem. Okay. So, this formula is so common for percentile and decile also, no? When you have K there, it means to say it's 1 here, your subscript here, no? Okay, that's the subscript. It is also applied to percentile and decile. Again, this one, you do not forget that formula. Okay, I created that in the, I'm sorry. I will not tell this, no? Because Aliyah and the others might have the idea. Okay, let's go. This is the formula, no? Okay, K there pertains to the subscript here, it's Q, no? But Q is telling the group should be divided into 4, no? If it's decile, it should be divided by 4. Sorry, percentile is 100. But this one is Q, no? Sabi dyan, no? Because it's interquartile range. Okay, let's go. What is N? Of course, it's the number of scores there, no? How many are there? It's 2, 4, 6, 8. That is 8. Again, K is there. This 1, like in PK and DK. Hindi nyo maintindihan yung sinusulat ko doon. Ewan ko, ang hina nyo. Okay, so divided by 4, not divided by 10, not divided by 100. This is quartile. Okay, now, we are determining, no? Which position is that? Like this one, if this is a range actually from highest to lowest, then we have to determine, no? What score is Q1 first and Q3, no? Okay, but that is ungrouped, no? Tingnan natin. Okay, let's go. So if it's 9 times 1 over 4, it's giving me 2.25. It's the term, no? It's the rank. Okay, but this 2.25 is just a rank. It's a term. It's not just this. It's not the score yet. Okay, and it says there, ito lang eh, no? 2 second. Ano ba yung second dyan? Okay, second is 5, no? Okay, second. Okay, ano susunod? Third. Okay. Sorry, second tuloy. Yeah, second because pertaining to the whole number, no? Second. Okay, second is the 5. Third is the next, the second, of course, no? That's why it's interpolation. 2.25. You interpolate that rank and the next rank. It should be involved there in the formula, no? Okay, that rank, which is the second rank. What is this? The next rank up after second? It's the third rank, no? Okay. Why are we interpolating? Because it's 2.25. No, it's not the exact rank. There is 0.25 that should be considered. Ganun po siya. Okay? Okay, it's 5. 5 there. It's a second rank, no? Okay, that's the second rank. And then you need to have the 0.25 plus 0.25. But the difference of the second and the third rank should be solved, no? 13 minus 5. Again, 13 is there. Hindi pwedeng mahula. 13 minus 5, it's 8, no? And then, okay, you have that, your answer will be 7. Okay? So the 2.25 term, okay, for Q1, it's 7. Okay? So when you actually determine that and this is score, it's here, no? Okay, it's 4, 5, and then 7. Q1 is between 5 and 13. What about quarter 3, no? Okay, walang quarter 2 dito, ha? Okay, remember, it's outlier. It's the extreme high, extreme low. You do not talk about Q2 because it's not part of the outlier. Parang nawala ako. Wait lang. Is my condition, okay, my GM condition, can I still deliver? Can you still hear me? My explanation here? Yuka? Shall I continue?
Sir, can
Tanggalin
you
ko na lang tong phone ko. Sige.
sir, I'm lagging po. Can you repeat po?
Sige. Okay, where did I end again? So again, no? For this formula, this is our formula actually, no? Okay, I cannot hear my voice, no? Yuka, can you just tell me, you know, if I'm stopping robotic here, just stop me, no? So we can pause and then let's observe my internet, no? Okay, I'm in Lubao, Pampanga actually. But even how far you are, okay, the help of course your Wi-Fi, it should be actually okay, good. Okay, Yuka, can you hear me? Okay, just open
Yes
your
po.
mic, huh? Okay, so we go back there again. Okay, again, no, I'm not you read it again, no? Kasi ayoko na masyadong nagbabasa. Waste of time kasi pag nagbabasa tayo, ano? Okay. So your interquartile range formula is this one actually, no? Okay. This will determine the exact, okay, number or the score, it pertains to a score that is an outlier, no? Let's see. So 4 and 5 and 51, not just 4, no? That is considered outlier. Okay, by merely looking at it, no? Yung kaninang score. Okay. So for this formula, your first step actually is to determine the Q1 and the Q2. So again, this formula is giving us Q1, no? Okay, what about Q3? There is no Q2 to be found here. Why? Because Q2 again is in the very middle, no? Okay, it is but part of the central. Okay, it is Q2 scores are not part of the outlier. They are in the very center middle, no? Okay, so Q3 6.75. How? Q3 is there, subscript is 3. That is K. Okay, so have this one in your mind already. This is ungroup. You have to have this, no? Formula. And then n plus 1. Plus 1 is a constant. I do not know, no? How did they derive to that one? I do not know. The mathematician derived this one. Okay, 8 is there. Why? It's the number of scores. Again, how many scores are there? It's 8 over 4. It's quartile if it's over 4. And then 6.75 is uh, the outcome of this one, no? It's 6.75, but that is a term. That is a rank. Okay, we know. You want to know the score of that 6.75? We refer to the ungrouped data, no? Okay, again, without looking at the formula, I need this 6.75. You count 2, 4, 6. No, I need how many scores only? 2 only, ha? Lagi. Okay, 6.75. So you need 6 and the 7th rank. Okay? The 2, 4, 6. I need 23 and 25 only. Why? Because it's 6.75, no? So you're considering the rank 6 and the next rank after 6, it's the 7th rank. Okay? That's interpolation. You interpolate the whole number and the decimal like you're rounding off, no? Rounding off. But this one should be giving you the exact score. Okay? So 23 and 25 is all what you need, no? You're seeing your textbook there. Okay, it's there, no? Okay, this is the 6. That is the 6. This is the 7. Okay, 7 and the 6th term there should be giving you difference, no? 0.75 is there, and then 6 is the 23rd. No, see? The sixth term is appearing twice. Ayan lang siya, no? Ayoko magsalita kasi nga kung ng idea o sino man yan, okay? So therefore, if you have that difference, multiply 0.75 and add 23, you can get 24.5. So Q3 is 24.5. Okay, again. Okay? For Q1, we got 7. Okay, 23.5 is our, no? 23.5 ba? Hindi ko ma-recall. Wait lang. 24.5 rather. So 7 is your Q1. It's here. Between 5 and 13 and then 24.5. It's here, no? 24.5. Okay. But we're not stopping yet, no? Okay. It's not yet finished. Okay. Why? Because we just got, okay, we only got Q1 and Q3. What about 1.5? No? 1.5, sir. 1.5. Okay. Okay. Tignan na natin. Okay. Oops. Okay, it's there. Okay, remember this one, no? Then find the interquartile range. Okay. There should be a difference of Q3 and Q1, no? Since we actually put boundary already for Q1 and Q3, we determine the scores. There are 24.5 for Q3 and Q1 is 7. We deduct that, 17.5. No, it gives you 17.5. Now, that 17.5 is here now, no? Ito na siya. Ayan. Okay? That is the IQR. Okay? IQR. Okay. So, therefore, we say that 24.5 and 7, this is the low extreme, 24.5 high extreme. Okay? Kailangan natin yan. Yan ang tawag na interquartile na talaga, no? Ito na. The difference of the two. Okay, 17.5 is really the interquartile difference of Q3 and Q1, and we need that in this formula. Okay? Okay, Q1 minus 1.5 IQR equals, what's Q1 again? It's 7, right? Okay, minus 1.5 is but a constant. And then multiplied by IQR of the Q1. Sorry, not the IQR of the Q1, but IQR or interquartile range of course, the difference between Q3 and Q1 is 17.5. Okay? And then it appears again here, no? IQR plus, sabi dyan, 2, sabi ganun. Okay, Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. Okay? 24.5. Lala? Okay, so 1.5, 17.5. Okay, what's this now, no? Now, ito na yung magbibigay. Okay, makikinig, no? Okay, then check for any data values outside negative 19.5 to 50.75. Okay, since the value of 51 is outside, okay, ito na talaga siya. No? Okay, ito na. Negative 19.25 and 50.75. So actually, this formula is giving you now the range, no? It is a range. Okay. So it means to say from negative, this is so slow, so extreme. It's negative 19.25 up to 50.75. You see? Okay. 4 and 5 were considered. No? Between 4 up to 51, when compared to what you got, it's negative 19.25 and 50.75. You see, no? What was not considered? It's not 4 and 5, but it's 51. Why? Because 51 is at the right side of 50.75. Okay? So this one now, these two, okay? Kailangan mo yan, no? These two are actually the range. Range from your left up to, your right. Okay? And then the scores, no? Your score is from 4 to 51. Sorry, hindi ako naka-Excel. Dapat kinopy-paste ko to sa Excel para mas naintindihan. Okay. So outside now, no? Outside of the negative 19.5, which you got from here, we got from here, and 50.75, which we got from here, outside, no? When you check this course, it's 4 up to 51. 51 pala ang outlier. Siya lang, no? Intindihan? Hindi lahat outlier, ha? By merely glancing at it, this is the outlier. Okay? Naintindihan? Thumbs up. Okay. Thumbs up kayo at nang makita ko kayo, no? Okay. So you don't forget the formula. I will not anymore do the formula, no? Kasi sa Excel, kasi minsan practical na tayo, haba ng time yun. Ako po. Okay. Para hindi naintindihan pa rin. Okay? Sabi ko naman, open textbook, no? Parang hindi pa rin tayo nagkakaintindihan. Okay, sige. Okay, can we have a response from Mr. Gana? Sam, did you get it? Okay, I want to see that in your research, okay? Okay, you do not doctor. When you say doctor, no? Okay, you do not manipulate your data. If there is an outlier, disclose it. It's okay, no? Okay, me as your math teacher, I'll consider that. Because it is considered really in the research. Okay. Okay? Okay, sige. 1220 drill is, of course, this is your drill. Skill builder is a drill. Can start now. 10 minutes, so it's exactly 12:20 to 12:30. Okay, pag na-bit nyo yan, plus 10. Pag hindi, sorry, no? Your messenger is your timer, of course, no? You can check there. Okay, start now. That is the next now. Go. You can answer it using any scratch. Okay? Paper, piece of paper, clean paper, no? Make it fast. 12:22. You're beating 12:30. Okay, so time is up. 12:30 for that one that I promised. It's plus 10, no? Okay, for 10 minutes. So no one was able to pass or send that answer. Okay, so finish that. No, I'm sorry. Medyo nahihirapan yung iba. So finish that with your convenience. Once you are able to do that, just pass it, okay? If you want to consider to take lunch first before you resume doing that, it's okay. Okay, class? Okay, sige. Tapos you navigate, no? You explore, navigate what I sent to you. It's just but click hyperlink there. The links there. And you're on the right track. Okay? So no submission means absent. Okay, bye-bye class. You can take your lunch if you want. Resume afterwards. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.